and welcome to our second Google for Singapore.
This country has been our home in the region for nearly 2 decades. Singapore takes a thoughtful, pragmatic approach to building the future. I'm proud to announce that we're significantly expanding our R&D footprint right here in Singapore.
To announce that we're deepening our partnership with AI Singapore to support the development of the country's first foundational AI health model. And this will help doctors improve the speed and accuracy of a diagnosis. In partnership with the Ministry of Education, we're building Google AI Living Labs. The goal is to reach 50,000 Singaporean students and educators by 2027. We're bringing the future of AI right to the heart of the campus.
I'm absolutely pleased to share and announce the arrival of the Google Cloud Singapore Engineering Center to build a digital economy that is safe and secure.
I'm therefore delighted with Mo's announcement that you are going to build up the engineering center. Too much excitement.
I am proud to officially announce Google's establishment of an AI Center of Excellence is designed to advance global AI safety across all of our products.
Our goal is to advance innovation together from Singapore to the world.